Hi everybody, welcome to week five of our school year of distance learning, of in-class learning, however you're learning. Welcome to week five. This week in math, you should be giving, if you're at home, if you're at home and you've finished the first chapter's lesson one, you should be giving the lesson one quiz. Go ahead and give that quiz to your kids and then take pictures of both sides of it, send them to Miss Cindy or I, and we will let you know if we want you to reteach and retest your kids, and we can help with the reteaching, or if they're good, to just move on. In class, we will be giving because our Monday, Wednesday kids are going to be a day behind because they didn't come to school last Monday. We'll be giving the quiz this week on Tuesday and Wednesday for lesson one. Then we will be starting lesson two, which is doubles and near doubles. And what that means is these are our doubles: 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, and all the way through 10 plus 10, including 0 plus 0. The point of this chapter is to try to help our kids memorize our doubles, because if they memorize their doubles, addition is going to just be a lot easier. So we want them to try to memorize what 1 plus 1 is, what 2 plus 2 is, what 3 plus 3 is, and then they move on to what's 1 more than 3 plus 3, because it helps them figure out those numbers around the doubles numbers. Addition is a lot easier if we have some things memorized, and doubles is one of those things. So problems will look like this. There are story problems in there, but they'll look like this. They'll be 3 plus 3 equals, and they have to figure out 3 plus 3. I think they usually have pictures for them to count, but if we can figure it out without our fingers, even better. Don't worry if they need to use their fingers, that's totally fine. Especially in first grade math, fingers are a tool that we have with us all the time. So please allow your kids to use their fingers. 3 plus 3 is 6, and then it will ask, what is 1 more? So it will want them to do, it'll look like this. 3 plus, it'll have three lines like that. Let's see. And they want you to do 3 plus 1 equals, rather than doing 3 plus 4. Because if you do the 3 plus 1, they can see the doubles. So they can figure this out. Oh, that's 6 plus 1 more equals 7. It's a lot easier for their minds to see 3 plus 1 than 3 plus 4. So that is what we're going to be doing this week, all week long. We'll be doing doubles and near doubles. Super easy, mostly just memorization, because we really want them to get those facts down, or at least start getting the facts down, even if they just have their 1s and 2s and 3s down, and their 0s, which is super easy. That makes math all the more easy, and they'll start picking up the other doubles as we get into higher numbers. Again, if you're teaching from home, or if you're just doing homework from home, manipulatives, which are things that your kids can use with their hands, touch with their hands, makes math easier. So if you have buttons at home, or beans at home, or Legos at home, or anything like that, letting them touch something and count them as they do their math is going to go a long way in helping them really learn how to do this math. We use manipulatives in class, and it really helps for them to be able to slide something up with their finger, or put things into piles, or whatever works for them. If manipulatives don't work, have them draw pictures, dots or lines. I know some of the kids last week were drawing lines, some were drawing dots, which is another thing I showed them. That helps too. Try not to get them to count them. Like, try to get them to see that that is just 3, rather than going 1, 2, 3. Okay, you know that there's 3 there, so then count on. Just keep using the skills that they learned from counting on to add. So 3, 4, 5, 6, that works. Last week I was doing this, which was helping them see it. Okay, put this in your brain. That's 3. Okay, let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Helps a ton if you're drawing that line too. Okay, or they can draw the line. Those are some tips that might help. Of course, as usual, if you have any problems or questions, please let us know. Miss Cindy and I are here to help. But just remember that if you think that your child is struggling and may need additional help, please let us know, because that is something that you may pick up on while you're at home that we don't see here, or vice versa. But we want to make sure that all the kids are getting what they need to help them succeed in math and reading and every subject. But math can be tricky, and I don't want any kids to think that they're not good at math now, because then they're always going to think they're not good at math. So let's get them confident in their math skills now, because they'll be better off in the future doing math. Okay, doubles and near doubles, that's our new thing. If you have any questions or problems, please let us know. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Have a good week. Bye.